how you're going to import your digital stickers that come in Noteful files into your Noteful app. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure you're saving the file that ends in .noteful. If whenever you buy stickers from someone, if they do not have the file that ends in .noteful, then you're not going to have this option. But if you do have the option, it's going to say .noteful and it's going to have the Noteful icon on the file in your files folder. So then you're going to go to Noteful and you're going to go right down here, click on this plus button and hit import file. Then you're going to go to wherever you save that file. So I think I saved it in downloads, and then I'm going to click right here and I'm going to hit open. And now it's going to do its thing, bring it in, and it's going to open that file whenever it's ready to go. So now I have my Noteful sticker files here. I have all of my stickers right here ready to go, and if I want to use them, I can simply tap on my lasso tool, tap on that sticker, and hit copy. You always want to copy it. You don't want to cut it because then it disappears and you won't have a copy of it anymore. So never hit cut from your sticker file, only hit copy. So that is how you import stickers into Noteful. Now let me show you how to use these sticker files.